How animal care and control has changed in the past 20 years. It's changed a lot in the 2 years I've been here. My understanding of our history is it was more of a kill shelter, go out, pick up animals, there's no owner. Most likely the animal would be put down. Certain breeds would be put down. And then the course over 10 years, it's turned into a model of rehoming, resocializing dogs, get them fostered or adopted out to better provide needs to the animal. We go through a lot of fear-free training, which is training for us officers and anyone who works in animal welfare to look for signs and symptoms of dogs, to put specific animal memos to dogs. So, hey, this particular dog can't go with a family with kids. So it's our job to identify that as officers to let the vet staff know. They add those memos, and 20 years ago that wasn't there.